together. Cameraman kan ti pọ̀ ju àwọn tá a pè sí ìdẹ́ǹtì lọ. Ní lánà ó ṣeun lánà. Anyway, alright.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Fathia Balogun. Bimbo. I and Bimbo, we don't talk like every other day. We don't see like every day. But anytime we talk as if we're together. We talk like GboahTv. Bimbo is an amazing soul. She talks to you like an elderly person, as if only be. And say, I'm not worried. Oh my she. Thank you so much. I can't see Amalazone. I've never seen a chick that will sit down in front of Amala and be telling Amala as if she's my grandmother. Bimbo, God bless you. God will continue to uplift you and your family. You should never lack in the mighty name of Allah. Thank you for having us. Guys, have fun. Is Amalazone. And have fun. Dance away your sorrow. We love you. Thanks for coming. So have fun.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have police in the building. Now, please put your hands together for her. They will be part of a round of applause. Let's encourage her.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Bimbo Oshin, if you don't care. And I'm super duper excited to be here today to celebrate my own personal person, Bimbo. Bimbo is such an amazing soul. She's so hardworking, she's God-fearing, she's selfless, she's given. Just like my sister said earlier on, Bimbo can give anything. And I've known Bimbo now for so many years. And when I was going through my storm, Bimbo stood by me. She would call me odd hours and she would keep asking, Sister Michelle, we're okay. Do you need anything? The Lord is your strength. She would pray with me. And she deserved nothing but the best. She deserved everything that she wants in this life. Bimbo, I love you so much. You're super duper amazing. I pray that the Lord Almighty will continue to be with you. Whatever you lay your hands on, you will prosper in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you. MC down.
Honestly, I don't know what to say, but I will use the moment to just pray for her. Allah Bimbo, I pray that you do more birthdays. You do 40, you do 50, you will do 60, you will do 70, you will do 80, you will do 90, you will do 100. And whatever extra that God wishes to give. I wish you joy, and I pray that God will grant you all your heart desires. It's a beautiful, nice ambience. I love what I'm seeing. It's just a testimony that you are a good person. So continue to be a good person.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless you. Can we welcome Biola Yusuf to the microphone to talk about the ceremony. Please, and please kindly put my mic very close to your mouth so people at the back can hear you clearly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and thank you guys for coming. I've known Bimbo for over 18 years. We went to the same unit together in the UK while we're doing our nursing program. Bimbo, she's jack of all trades. Like when we were in uni, she was doing photography, she was doing the cooking bit as well, and she was feeding me that time. And then she relocated to the US. She's an extremely extremely hardworking person, very selfless, very caring, very thoughtful, very loving. And the most important thing about her, she's so forgiving as well. There's nothing you do for her, even if you hurt her, she will just tell you that, you know what, forget about it, Viola, let's just move on. That's kind of what person Sumbo is. Sumbo, I'm wishing you happy birthday, long life, and prosperity in good health.
Thank you, Jack of all trade. You know, when the nurse has serving you, man, can never fall sick. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Bola Okoli, Bonix Drink. Bola Okoli of Bonix.
But I'm still gonna make it happen for her tonight. My name is Dr. T. Glam. I've known this lady for a few years, quite a number of years actually. So I know everyone has been coming up and saying good things about her and fancy things, nice things. I'm gonna say the terrible things about her. Who wants to know the terrible things about her? Oh man. One terrible thing about her is that she works too hard. And that's the truth. You know, the first time I met her, she was in a very small store, you know, making Amalazone. You know, she had a great personality. I fell in love with her the first time I saw her. She was very humble, and that just attracted me to her. Who knew that many years after, the Amalazone, you know, zone will be a big brand? I know she doesn't know this, but I love to cook, but I don't cook every day. I'm always on Uber. Do you see my name on Uber and DoorDash? All the time, you just pretend like you don't know I'm ordering, right? I eat her food almost every day. I didn't bring one yet. We're gonna talk about that. But anyway, I just wanted to say that she's very humble. She's a hard worker. She's a good mother. She's a God-fearing lady. And if you know her, you have a friend, you have a sister in her. You know, it is with great pleasure that I come here today to celebrate you because you deserve it. She's selfless. She'll give you anything. She can give you the clothes right off from her back. You know, her personality, you just want to be around her. I know that a lot of people here tonight, she has touched you in some way. So my prayer for you is that your brand continues to grow. Not just you in number of years and your birthday, but your brand continues to grow internationally, locally. May you excel, continue to be uplifted. And I know you have great, you know, bigger ideas for your business. May God grant you those wishes and your heart desires. I wish you a happy birthday. I love you so much, and I pray that God continues to bless you. Thank you so much. Let's have a good night, everybody.
Thank you, bye everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, can we make welcome to the microphone? Hello, am I here for you? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to talk about the celebrant again, Shego Gele. Please, a round of applause for him as he comes to the microphone. Please, put your hands together, just encourage him. I'm lucky. I like to meet her, sir. Wow, another punchline. One. That's a money one. What matter? All right, let's welcome the man who later on will be Yoruba will say solo. See anybody will be singing, will be dancing to his melodious tune, but he's also a friend of the celebrant. Let's make welcome Larry King as he talks about the celebrant. Please put your. I expect the band men to clap if nobody claps. Ojú chama well. He's here, he's coming.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sumbo. She's a very nice lady, very supportive, very caring, but she can be a bully, especially to me. All I can just say is I pray God will continue to elevate you, protect you, guide you, and you will live to celebrate many more birthdays on this planet in the mighty name of Jesus. Happy birthday, Sumbo. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome.